Selanjutnya kita akan simak presentasi dari Gusti Sofia Rizky Ramadhani dengan judul Student Preference Toward Lecturer Returns Corrective Feedback in Writing Class. Oke, saya persilahkan untuk Gusti Sofia Rizky Ramadhani untuk presentasi. Saya persilahkan untuk share screen.
Terima kasih moderator. Saya share screen dulu. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to the honorable moderator, all presenter and all the participants. My name is Gusti Sofia Rizky Ramadhani, and today I would like to present my research with two other authors, which is Professor Dr. Haji Abdul Mutim MPD and Emma Rosana Febrianti MPD. Our research entitled Student Preference Toward Lecture Written Qualitative Feedback in Writing Class. Okay, I will present about introduction, literature review, methodology, finding, discussion, and conclusion as last of my presentation. To begin with, I go on to the background of my study. So as we know that writing is considered to be most essential language skill required by students for their individual improvement and academic achievement. Since students must accomplish their academic writing assignments such as thesis, journal, essay, or other written tasks, learning how to write well is needed by the student. But however, writing is considered as the most difficult complex skill for a Apple student to learn. Since the complexity of some aspect in writing, sometimes they found it difficult when they are given written text in writing course. Then they make some error in grammar, vocabulary, punctuation, and etc. Therefore, the role of lecture is needed to overcome the student problem in writing. One way that can be done by the lecturer is providing written quality feedback on student writing. By providing written quality feedback, the lecturer should select types of written quality feedback wisely, which appropriate to the student need. To know student need in teaching learning process, the lecturer may consider student preference toward written quality feedback. And then by knowing student preference, the lecturer can provide more appropriate teaching method and help the student in learning writing more effectively. Okay, therefore, I interested in conduct this research, and the objective of my research is to describe student preference toward written corrective feedback given by the lecturer to their writing and writing class. And then we move to the review of literature. Okay, first, what is written corrective feedback? Written corrective feedback is written teacher input on student essay with few enhancing grammatical consistency and also idiomatic usage. And then there are 6 types of written corrective feedback according to Rothfuss. The first one is direct corrective feedback. The second one is indirect corrective feedback. The third one is metalinguistic corrective feedback. And then the fourth one is focus feedback, which each divided into 2, focus feedback and unfocused feedback. And then the fifth one is electronic feedback. And then the last one is reformulation. And then there are 6 types of error that should be given written corrective feedback. The first one is organization error. The second one is grammatical error. The third one is content or idea error. And then the punctuation error, spelling error, and vocabulary error. Okay, we turn to the methodology. The design of my research is descriptive qualitative research. And my subject of the research were 25 students who are taking a Spanish writing class. And then the sampling technique that I use is purposive sampling. And then there are 2 instruments that I use. The first one is questionnaire. It is used to find out the student preference, and then it is in the form of open and close-ended. And then the second one is interview. I use it to explore the student reason. And then I conduct semi-structured interview. And then here is the data analysis. It is according to Creswell. And then next, we move to the finding and discussion. Okay, my findings is divided into 5 indicators. The first one is student preference toward type of written quality feedback from the lecturer. Okay, As you can see on the slide, direct corrective feedback is the most preferred type of written corrective feedback by the student. And then in contrast, reformulation is the least preferred type of written corrective feedback by the student. And then here is the result of interview. Okay, based on the finding, it can be concluded that written corrective feedback is the most preferred type of feedback because they will know the error and correction clearly. The student also can learn from the correction given by the lecturer, and then as the result, it makes the student understand their error easily. And then the result match with Chandler. And then the second finding is student preference toward type of error that must be given written corrective feedback on the lecturer. And then as you can see on the slide, the results show that grammatical error is the most preferred type of error that should be corrected as it had a highest percentage. And then the type of error that is less preferred by student is spelling error. And then here is the result of interview. And then based on the finding, it can be concluded that grammatical error is the most preferred type of error that should be corrected. The majority of students need it because it helps them to know the correct grammar, because the students think that they still lack in grammar, especially in the use of tenses. And then it has some result with Iswandari. And then moreover, the student thinks that grammatical error is most difficult subject in English. Therefore, the grammatical error is important to be corrected since most of students think that they tend to make error in grammar. And then this finding is confirmed the research of Jodai. Okay, next is the third findings, which is student preference toward how written corrective feedback should be given by the lecturer. Okay, as you can see on the slide, the most preferred choice by student is the lecturer should mark all the error, and then in contrast, there is no student who choose mark no error, and then next is the result of the interview. Okay, this is the reason for preferring mark all the error, and then based on the finding, it can be concluded that majority of students prefer the lecturer mark all the error. It is because it will be totally clear for students to correct their error, and then it will avoid misinformation on students because they are likely to repeat their error do not knowing their error, and then the student think that all the error are important to be corrected. And then this finding is in line with Arhain and Nasaji. And then the fourth finding is student preference toward when written corrective feedback should be given. And then based on the highest percentage, it showed that most of students prefer written corrective feedback is given after the class in private. And then in addition, there is a student who add their option in the questionnaire, which is on the next meeting. And then next is, here is the result of the interview. Okay, based on the finding, it can be concluded that most of students prefer written corrective feedback is given after the class in private. Students believe that it was an effective way for students to be more focused on correcting that error. And then the student also could have discussion with their lecturer about how to fix the error. And then it helped them if they are confused in correcting their error. And then as the result, they will make a better writing quality. And then this finding is in line with Hardevela. And then besides that, the student feel embarrassed, not confident, and nervous when written corrective feedback is given during class in front of their classmates, especially after it has a lot of error in their writing. And then this finding is supported by Hardevela. And then the last one is student feeling after receiving written corrective feedback from the lecturer. Okay. As you can see on the slide, most of students feel motivated when they are after they receive written corrective feedback. And then here is the result of interview. And then most of students, it can be concluded that most of students feel motivated after receiving written corrective feedback. And then students feel motivated after receiving feedback because it makes the student curious in finding their error and solution by themselves. And then as the result, it motivates them to make the best writing. And then furthermore, The lecturer not only gives written corrective feedback, but also suggestion and support to improve their writing skill that make them feel motivated. And then this finding is in line with Muhayang, which found specific past informative and supportive corrective feedback makes stimulate student writing motivation. Okay, now we come to the conclusion part. Okay, so based on the result, it showed that students have their preference toward written corrective feedback. And then I want to conclude 5 points. The first one is student most favorite type of written corrective feedback was direct corrective feedback, and then grammatical error is the most favorite type of error that should be corrected. And then the majority of students prepare the lecture should mark all the error. And then the fourth one is majority of students prefer written corrective feedback is given after the class, and then most of students feel motivated after receiving written corrective feedback. Okay, I think I am in the end of presentation. Thank you so much. I back to the moderator.
Oke, terima kasih untuk Saudari Gusti Sofia sudah mempresentasikan penelitiannya, hasil penelitiannya.